Lasuni tikka and olive bruschetta. What is a bruschetta? A bruschetta is an open-faced sandwich, almost. We're going to be using some nice crusty bread here. Pan fry them in nice garlic butter. And what I've actually done with these tikkas, which are actually nice pieces, I've actually cut them into cubes so that the olives, the tomatoes and the tikkas gets nicely mixed together on this beautiful toast, which we are going to be pan frying in a mixture of olive oil and garlic butter. So why don't we start doing the toast first, and then very quickly in that same pan we're going to be sauteing these beautiful things together. So I have some olive oil in here and a bit of garlic butter as well. Great. Pan is hot. The garlic butter is nicely melted. Why don't we just very quickly pan sear this bread in this beautiful garlic butter. Alternatively, if you don't want to have any butter into this, no problem. What you can do is you can actually very lightly toast this bread as well. I have some nice chopped spring onions, I have some olives, I have some tomatoes, of course the lasuni tikka, which has been cut into beautiful cubes. All of them are going to be beautiful sauteed. Okay, let's turn these over a little bit. That wonderful taste of garlic and the garlic butter and the lasuni tikka is going to make this dish absolutely marvelous. So our bread is nicely pan seared or toasted. So let's put this on the side here. Great. Bread is ready. Next, a little more oil. Some chopped spring onions. Chopped green and black olives. Chopped tomatoes. And then our beautiful lasuni chicken tikka. Let's season it with a little bit of salt and pepper and some lovely chaat masala. Everybody loves chaat masala. And some freshly chopped coriander, dhania. Just a little touch of more butter into this. Really mix it nicely. You get this beautiful aroma of this smoky chicken tikka with these olives, with these tomatoes. Fabulous. So our topping for our bruschetta is ready. And now all we need to do is top our toast with it. A little more dhania on the top for a little garnish. A few sprouts from the fridge. And a beautiful flower in the middle. So our lasuni tikka and olive bruschetta is perfectly ready. Enjoy and let your guests have a lot of fun.